Hello YouTube, my name is Courtney. I am in the beginning stages of having the vertical sleeve gastrectomy. This is my first video, so please excuse me. I decided to have the surgery January of 2013. I've contemplated about having a weight loss surgery for, I don't know, 10 years now. I'm 31 years old. I was nervous about the surgery at first. I heard so many bad things, and then people that have had bad experiences, which talked me out of having the surgery. From there, I decided to try to do it on my own, and I wanted to learn how to properly eat and try to take my weight loss journey by my own reins. And sometimes they were successful. I lost some weight, but it wasn't the weight that I needed to lose. Let's see. I've tried high protein diets, no carb diets, Weight Watchers, I don't know, just a lot of different diets, but nothing seemed to work. So on a whim, I went with a friend that was trying to get the surgery to help her diabetes. And I wasn't going for myself. I was just going for support. And that night, while I was there, everyone handed me the paperwork versus her. Now, my friend isn't obese. She's overweight, but isn't obese. And her doctor recommended for her to have the surgery. Anyway, so while I was there, they handed me the paperwork, and I felt like it was a sign from God that I needed to probably look into the surgery that I had so many preconceived notions about, but I really didn't know what was going on. So from there, I decided that I was going to go ahead and go with it. So on February 4th, I had my first consultation, and it went really well. My doctor was very warm and open, and she gave me the options of all of the surgeries that that she performed. And I was very scared for a gastric bypass. I'm not too comfortable with the rerouting of my intestines, so I decided that I would go ahead and see what other options she had. Lap band wasn't an option for me. Well, let me just start off and tell you that I'm 4'11", and at the current moment, at that moment, when I stepped on the scale there, I was 412 pounds. So, I'm quite overweight. So I decided that, let's look into the vertical gastrectomy. And I did. And I really like the outcome. It's very similar to gastric bypass without the rerouting. So we decided that we were going to go ahead. Well, I decided that I was going to go ahead and go on and complete the necessary testing that needed to be done for the gastric bypass. For the vertical sleeve. So, so far, I've had my insurance requires me to have a consultation, a ultrasound of my gallbladder, a letter from my primary care doctor, and what else do they? Letter and a psych evaluation, and to meet with my nutritionist for 6 consecutive months. I've completed the meeting with the surgeon. I've had my gallbladder. My gallbladder is perfect. Yay. Let's see. I met with my doctor who had recommended that I get the surgery a long time ago, but I kind of felt like he didn't know what he was talking about. I'm kind of a know-it-all. It's hard for me to admit that, but I am. And my nutritionist is awesome, and she, basically told me the things that I need to eat and how to eat them and when. And I was surprised at that visit. I had actually lost about 9 pounds, so I was down to 403. That was about a month ago. I have my next appointment with her tomorrow. I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm not nervous, but I just want to see if I've been doing the right things. People have told me that I've lost weight, but if you are on this journey, you know that you don't really want to hear that. I'd rather see it than hear it. And I decided that, coming to YouTube would be one of my better options because I need someone to talk to about it. I come from a family that, while being supportive, they are not in my situation, on my mother's side at least. Many of them are, fairly thin, athletic. They don't deal with my problems. So I find that YouTube has been a good outlet for me as far as going and watching other people's videos and people that have been on this journey. I also have been going through a little bit of emotional things, like people that I've been friends with for way over 15 years are worried about if I'm going to change. And, I keep telling them that I'm going to continue to be Courtney, no worries. But I think that I may change, but in a positive way. My most recent experience was yesterday. I posted something on Facebook, and a friend of a friend messaged me and was like, don't do the surgery. People have died from it. Basically trying to scare me out of it. But at this point, I'm like, I'm 31 years old. There's nothing that anybody can tell me to change my decisions. I'm just really, really excited for this journey, and I hope to take you guys along with me. Right now I'm sitting in my back hallway because it's kind of loud in my house, so if the glare is bothering you, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel and watch me go along on this journey. I still have about 5 to 6 months to go before I can actually have the surgery, but I'm not worried about it because I went 10 years just contemplating it, and to be 5 months away, I'm very excited. Yeah, so if you have any questions or anything, just leave comments down below, and yeah, I hope to be back tomorrow or a couple of days to explain to you how my second nutritionist evaluation went. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. All right, bye.